There are 15 boys and 10 girls in a class. If 3 students are selected at random, what is the probability that 2 boys and 1 girl are selected? Recall that the probability of an event is equal to the ratio of the cardinality of the event and the cardinality of the sample space. So let's start taking the cardinality of the event. So that is 15 combination 2. Where did we get this? Since in our given, we want to form a group of 3 students, wherein in this group, there must be 2 boys. So, to form a group of 2 boys out of 15 boys, so their combination is 15 combination 2. Now, this 10 combination 1 is taken from, in a group of 3, we want to have 1 girl out of 10 girls' choices. That is why we have here 10 combination 1. Then simplify 15 combination 2, that is 105. 10 combination 1, that is 10. Then apply the fundamental counting principle, 105 times 10, and that is 1050. So this tells us that there are 1050 ways to form a group of 3 out of 25 students, 15 plus 10, 25, wherein that 25 students composed of 15 boys and 10 girls, wherein the group of 3 that we want to make should consist of 2 boys and 1 girl. So there are 1050. But since we want to get the probability, let us take the cardinality of the sample space. So the cardinality of the sample space is 25 combination 3. Why? Because we have 15 plus 10, we have 25 students in all, and we only want to form a group of 3. So, disregarding the conditions, it can be 3 boys, it can be 3 girls, it can be 1 boy and 2 girls, so it doesn't matter as long as we want to form a group of 3 for our for the cardinality of our sample space. So 25 combination 3, that is 2,300. Now to get its probability, just simply get their ratio. So 1,050 divided by 2,300. Then simplify them since they are both divisible by their GCF, which is 50. So 1,050 divided by 50 is 21, 2,300 divided by 50 is 46, and this is the probability of this event. Thus, the probability that 2 boys and 1 girl are selected is 21 out of 46. In our given number 2, 5 musicians are chosen at random from a group of 3 who play string, 5 who play percussion, and 7 who play wind instruments. What is the probability that 5 musicians play wind instruments only? So, write our probability formula. Then let's start taking the cardinality of the event. So our event here is we want to form a group of 5 wherein all of them are wind instrument players. So the cardinality of the event is 7 combination 5. Why? Because we are only focusing here on the wind instrument players. So there are only 7 wind instrument players here. Wherein we need, out of 7, we need only to form 5 players, 5 musicians. So that is 7 combination 5, and that is 21. Now, what is the cardinality of the sample space? That is 15 combination 5. Why? Because we have 15 musicians in all. 7 plus 3, that is 10, plus 5, that is 15. And out of those 15, we only want to form 5 musicians, disregarding the instrument that they are playing. So it can be a percussion player, a string player, or a wind player. So 15 combination 5, that is 3,003. And to get its probability, just get the ratio. So 21 over 3,003. Then divide the numerator and denominator by their GCF, which is 21. So 21 divided by 21 is 1. 3,003 divided by 21 is 143. Thus, the probability that 5 musicians play wind instrument is 1 over 143. What if we want to form a group of 5 musicians wherein one or exactly one of the musicians out of 5 play string instruments? So let's start taking the cardinality of the event. Our event here is a group of 5 wherein one of them, exactly one of them, plays instruments. Then the other 4, they play wind or percussion. So let's start with this 3 combination 1. Why is it 3 combination 1? Where did we get this? Since we are focusing on the string and we have 3 string players here and we only need 1 out of 3. So this is our combination 3 combination 1. Then the other 4 will be taken from the wind players or the percussion players. So this 4 will be taken from the wind players wherein there are 7 plus the percussion player which is 5. So 7 plus 5 is 12. So it means we're going to take 4 out of 12. So simplify, 3 combination 1 is 3, 12 combination 4 is 495, then by FCP, that is 1,485. So this tells us that there are 1,485 ways for us to form a group of 5 musicians wherein exactly one of them is string instrument players. But since we want to get the probability, we need to find the cardinality of the sample space. So that is 15 combination 5 because we have 15 players in all. 7 plus 3, that is 10, plus 5, 15. Then we want to form a group of 5. So disregarding the instrument that they are playing. And that is 3003. Then get the probability of this event by taking the ratio. So 1,485 divided by 3003. Then simplify. So since their GCF is 33, so 1,485 divided by 33, that is 45. 3003 divided by 33, that is 91. Thus, the probability that exactly one of the musicians plays string instrument is 45 out of 91.